Good morning, guys. We're going to start in 7 minutes, all right? Good morning to those who joined. Let's like up the stream. It cost you $0 to do it. Let's go. Let's go. 5 minutes. I'll see you then. Good morning to those who joined. Let's like up the stream. We're going to start in exactly 2 minutes. Enjoy the music. Enjoy the music. 2 minutes. We also do have news coming out in 2 minutes, which is unemployment claims. Let me just double check. Forex factory. Yes, unemployment claims coming 55 seconds. All right. See you guys in a bit. All right, guys, let's get started. Let's get started. Just going to wait for this news and see what happens. And then from there, we will start the stream. All right. So we're getting some people in here. 17 likes, 40 people. We're getting close. People are getting better. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Push the gas. How was the unemployment claims? Please be good. Claims forecasted 221,000. Have a peek here. Just having a look. Unemployment claims, crude oil. Still waiting for the news. Oh, came out above. Higher. How is the market reacting to this? Look, just bear with me, guys. I'm gonna go to Twitter first, then YouTube. Spies are cooking a bit. Nothing really. It's just pretty much even at the moment, so we'll just chill. We'll chill. All right, gonna get to YouTube. Let's have a look and see. Twitter, sorry. LSH. What's happening with LSH? LSH, wait for 281 to take an entry. If you're gonna enter now, that is not a good idea because it's coming down very, very quickly. MCTR. Difficult one here at the moment, so I'm gonna add this to my watch list since it is in the top gainers, but at the moment I just wouldn't enter. It's difficult to trade something like this simply because it's just ranging, right? We don't know if it's going uptrend or downtrend. It is up 24%, which is a great sign, but personally I would just wait for it to break 724. All right, so MCTR, wait for 724, break above. Cool, everybody got that? Nice. Now we need to do RZLV. How's that looking? Is it moving a bit? 4%, not really. RZLV, these are just your key levels, to be honest. I would say it just needs to hold $3 into open. As long as it does that, then you're fine. All right, RZLV needs to hold $3 into open. Come on, RZLV. Let's see if this can push. It looks good. It was a runner earlier this week, from what I remember. IPA. Keep the tickers and questions coming in, guys. I will get to them in a minute. I'm just going through the Twitter, and then I will go through the Discord, guys, and then I'll get to you guys. All right, so IPA in demand zone. Nothing yet. Yeah, see, gold's coming down as well, so we'll see. Doesn't really impact the market too much, but anyway. VNCE. VNCE is cooking. Yeah, VNCE looks nice. I like this. The pennant is cooking on high heat. VNCE. Where is it? Yeah, VNCE is looking good. Moving up. All right, guys, I'm nearly done with Twitter, and then I'm going to go to the Discord, guys, and then I'll get to you, right? Okay, let's have a look. What's happening here? Right. People are asking for IPA. IPA is just in demand zone, as I just posted. Just in demand zone. in demand zone. Nothing exciting with this IPA, to be honest. Excuse me, it's a larger time frame setup. SoFi is a very bullish stock. This is a long-term play. I like it a lot. Looks great. These are your key levels. Just kind of needs this downtrend break at the moment. Here are your key levels for SoFi. Key levels. Rightio. Okay, I'm gonna get to you guys now. Everybody get some questions in. Questions. Needs downtrend break. SoFi needs downtrend break. Who thinks it's gonna go? Right. Good morning, Totes. The Master Totes is here again. King Totes. Right, what do we see here? Morning, good morning. Hello. What up? Regarding LTM, still the market closed. Still the market closed. Who is it? Arrived to 164. I don't know what price it will go to. If you enter a stock, aim for a realistic target. I aim for 5%. If you want to aim for 164, you're more than welcome to. Make sure you have a stop loss. Got it? Cool. This is LITM right now. LITM is looking great. Pushing up. Hopefully it keeps going. These are your next levels. I gave it to you guys all the way down here at $1. It's up literally over pretty much 50%. So congrats to those who are in. Hi, BNZI. What's happening with BNZI? So BNZI is 2% up. Look like a pop and drop. This doesn't look too great, to be honest with you. I'm not really interested in this play. I don't really like something like this because there's no trend, right? Well, as I always say, the trend on this one is obviously just ranging, but I like to see a bullish or bearish trend. Definitely if it's bearish, I wouldn't be trading it. Technically, this is bearish because it's not in an uptrend and it is below resistance. So BNZI needs 183 break for entry. So just mark 183, screenshot it, save it, whatever you need to do to look for your entries on this one. All right. Davenport, let's go, like and share. SOPA, SOPA. Everybody get the questions in. Tickers, everybody get them in. SOPA, I'm not too sure what you see on this one. Personally, I don't see anything. This is extremely low volume. I'm not even gonna bother drawing this because I don't like this chart. Sorry. Yeah, there's no volume on this. It's difficult to chart something like this with lack of volume. Like it up. DXST. This was a higher price stock, wasn't it? Is it? Oh no, $6. DXST right now, there's nothing on it. No entries. If you're looking for a risky entry, it would be above 762. Actually, no, above here because that's the high. You break 788, you can look for an entry, but other than that, I wouldn't touch it. DXST needs. Yeah, this is getting, this got rocked. It ran up a lot and then from $14 it's down literally 50%. No bueno. VIGL trying to break out. 251 break needed. Breaks above 251, then you have this wick fill here at 289, which looks good. So we'll see here. VRGL expecting breakout. Let's see if VIGL can go. I hope VIGL can go here. It will be actually a good move, to be honest. Bullish pennant as well, if you want to call it that. Here to here. See that? Nice. Okay, we need some more runners. SES is pushing up. Great move on this. 125 is where I would look for entries. Other than that, I wouldn't touch it. Right now, it's just ranging. It's a difficult chart to trade when something is ranging like that. But yes, it is bullish at the moment. We'll see. Wait, what happens? PSQH, nothing unless 518 on this. I posted this chart earlier today. Yeah, PSQH, nothing. PSQH needs 518 break. Yeah, it needs 518 break. All right. So if it doesn't get 518 break, just leave it, ignore it, cut it, whatever you need to do. Yeah, I mean 518 break will get this thing going for sure though. This is a good play to watch. Above 518. Right now, just difficult to anticipate what will happen. UPC. Right, let's like up the stream. I'll keep saying it until we get more likes every day, because people are slacking with the likes. This thing is extremely bearish. Please do not touch UPC because it is extremely bearish. UPC currently bearish, right? The trend is bearish. It's in a downtrend. Huge sellers in control here. LITM is right here. I expect it to continue up as long as it breaks 163. Breaks 163, it should continue to the upside. SOBA. SOBR. Everybody's talking about this. Please stay away from this. But if you want to play a pump and dump, you are more than welcome to. Any entries are above $1.39. Anything below, I don't really care. I'm not interested. All right. Highest probability is above 139. Be careful. Be smart. All right. These can be very, very scary trades. And when it runs, it will probably just dump straight away as well. We will have to wait and see what the rest does over here. Yeah, 139. You could wait for $1 if you really wanted to. For me, I just don't really trust something like this. I know there's a lot of talk in it. That's why I'm not really interested in it. I only trade something that when there's movement and volume, then I'll get into it. XCA, yeah, it's pushing up slowly, maybe above. Or 1726 is what you have range to. I don't trade $15 stocks if I'm honest with you. But yeah, it's up 44%. Looks good. I don't know the news, but yeah, it looks good. DATS, another trash stock. Not interested at all, to be honest with you. You're in a possible bullish pennant here, but other than that, yeah, not a great stock. SES running. Yeah, I see it moving up. It's moving up. LITM, I've done that one. No, it says needs to clear higher fake out. What's the range of XCA? Buru. Haven't heard that one in a while. The mighty Buru. Okay, Buru overall trend is still bearish. I don't like this stock either, to be honest. Just one of those that everybody likes to rinse and repeat on this. Yeah, I don't see anything unless downtrend break, unfortunately. Sorry about this one. Buru needs downtrend break. Yeah, it needs downtrend break on this. Pop and fade one all the time on this. BBLG. BBLG is 5%. I don't know. BBLG doesn't look great either. BBLG, low volume. Maybe above here. 122. But it needs volume. Nothing on this. Needs volume. I hope this runs though for people who are in it. Buru, don't get bagged. Buru. QNX, hold or sell. Nav, please listen to me, brother. Please listen to me. You're going to learn a big lesson here about risk management. If you enter a trade, did you have a target? Did you have a stop loss? I'm assuming you didn't, so I recommend that you take that money out of your account and put it away and put it back into the bank, because you're just giving money away. Please make sure whenever you enter a trade to have a target and have a stop loss. Do not just buy because someone says it. Do not just buy because you want to or you like it. Okay? Have a proper reason and always make sure you have a target and a stop loss. All right? That is all I will tell you. So if you're not going to trade with a stop loss and target in mind, then you are going to probably lose, right? Because you don't know where you're going to sell it and you don't know what's going to happen when it goes down. When I enter a trade, if I'm down 3%, I sell it. If I'm up 5%, I sell it. That is it. That is it. Every single time. Every single trade I take. All right, so learn from that. Please. Stop trading without a stop loss. It's very easy to use a stop loss. It is there for a reason. All right? Start today. Today is the day where you use a stop loss for the first time in your life. Right, QBTS is looking good. Still holds $6. Looks good. QBTS holds $6. Should run up. Cool. PBA looks good. ASST reversals down 7%. Nothing yet. ASST, wait for VWAP. Nowhere near VWAP yet. 141's VWAP. Wait for that. If you want to wait for VWAP, then you can look for an entry. Personally, I would not take it now. When a stock is below VWAP, that indicates that the stock is bearish based on a shorter time frame or even a larger time frame. So now, since VWAP it's below VWAP, that means that it will usually use VWAP as resistance like this. All right, so everybody please pay attention. I'm going to show you what the indicator VWAP does. Let's say VWAP is this bright yellow line. Now, if a stock is above VWAP like this, we expect it to use it as support and push to the upside like this. Okay, that is what we expect to happen when you have VWAP above a stock. Sorry, below a stock. So if a stock like this is above VWAP, then it will use it as support to push up. Now, if a stock is below VWAP like this, it means the stock is in a bearish trend and that it is likely that it will come to this area. It will reject at VWAP and it will come down. You see? So this is something you should understand. This is your VWAP, right? Everybody can screenshot this, whatever you need to do. VWAP. VWAP equals yellow line, right? So here you go. This is your VWAP. If a stock is above VWAP, it indicates that the stock is in a bullish trend and that there is a high probability to go up. If a stock comes down to VWAP, it will usually use it as support to push to the upside. If a stock is below VWAP, right, this yellow line, and it is trending up, whatever it is, then it will probably use VWAP and reject it and come down. So look here, let's look very carefully. The stock is now below VWAP, correct? We see this line here is VWAP. It gets to VWAP rejection, gets to VWAP rejection, right? So now VWAP is here, probably going to reject. How do we wait for it? We have to wait for a candle to close above the resistance. This purple line is exactly the same thing as VWAP. You can use them as the exact same thing, all right? Hope everybody's clear with that. That is my breakdown of VWAP for you. Well done. VNCE, wow, it did break above. So look, does everybody understand what I just talked about with VWAP? Do you see what happened? You closed above VWAP, you retested VWAP, and now you push to the upside. You see the magic? All right. Well done on VNCE. Well done. Breakout on VNCE. Traded this twice today. Hopefully it continues to go up for those who are in it. VNC is the top mover at the moment. Do not buy it now because you're going to be chasing. SOBA, I've done SOBA, RDW, nothing on this at the moment. No volume. Right now, I could say that we could be flagging-ish, kind of. A little bit difficult. Maybe a pennant, bullish pennant. I try and make everything as bullish as I can for those who are looking at the stock, but yeah, maybe RDW bullish pennant. All right, bullish pennant. Hopefully it goes up. VIGL, what's happening VIGL? VIGL, look here. So VIGL is now above VWAP. There's a high probability that will continue to go up. However, this 251 is your resistance. I would wait for 251 break, but if you want it to now, you are more than welcome to. Just make sure you have a stop loss. Please have a stop loss. Just please have it. Please, please, please. All right. I don't know anyone else on this platform who preaches a stop loss more than me. I talk about it 500 times a day. And if people still aren't using it, then, you know, trading is not for you, unfortunately. Oscar, no volume. Uptrend on this. So steady uptrend like this. Yeah, steady uptrend. Wait and see. Steady uptrend. Possible? No, it's not an ascending triangle. I just made that one up. But here, this is yours, and then the next levels, I'll give it to you. 17, 70, 75. 75. Yeah, so these could be your levels on Oscar. Key levels. Right. RR, here's RR. RR, you need a candle body to close above. Remember, expect this or act as if this is resistance. Sorry, as VWAP, as I just explained to you. Candle body closes above, that confirms that that's a breakout, confirms that there is a higher probability this will go up. So now that this is closed above, it should go up. If the candle body doesn't and it rejects like it has here, then don't enter. Okay? Then don't enter. QNSR, QNSR. QNSR, I've done that one. Need the stream, love the stream. Let's like the stream up. Come on, guys. 40 likes in here. We got 100 people in here. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. VNC breaking out. QNSR, VNC, yes, QNRX. QNRX, steady downtrend, same as this. Just draw the downtrend, use this as your VWAP line, use this as your resistance line, whatever you want to do it. If a candle body closes above, then you can enter. It can be here, the candle body close. It could be all the way down here where the body closes. All right, so just make sure once the body closes, then you can look for your entry. Please do not take it now because it's still in a downtrend. If you want to enter now, you are more than welcome to, but I don't recommend it. Right, you have to wait for the candle body to close above. I use the 5 minute, you can use the 1 minute or 2 second, whichever time frame you choose. It is up to you. DXST, 44%, nothing unless 788. Close above 78, you can look for an entry. Can you please look at MBOT? This has been steady climbing. MBOT, MBOX. MBOT 9% here. MBOT looks good. Closed above $2. This is my prediction. Broke above it like that. Retest here probably to continue to go to the upside. Let's see what it can do. This is MBOT prediction. Yeah, it looks good. It just needs volume. Like these players don't really have much volume at the moment. HEPA respecting patterns super well. HEPA's looking good, yeah. HEPA's looking great. Let me give you your key levels. 0.2. 0.225. Alright, cool. These are your levels for HEPA. HEPA looks good for entry if you want to take it. Make sure you have a stop loss. Please have a stop loss. VNCE is here. VNC is looking good. VNC is looking great. If it breaks, did it break the high day? It did, didn't it? Yeah, it broke the high of day here. Surprisingly, didn't continue to go up. QNRX, I've done QNRX, guys. QNRX is bearish, downtrend, nothing on it. Nothing, zero. XCA, it's higher price stock. I'm not interested in it personally, but yeah. It's holding VWAP. You can maybe look for entries here. For me, I would wait for open since there's lack of volume now, but yeah, it's also $15, $14, $13. CNSP still nothing. Let me have a look. CNSP nothing. I don't know. I'm assuming there's news waiting on this or pending of some sort, right? Nothing on this, unfortunately. Sorry. There is nothing on it. SES, here is SES. SES is pushing up very nicely. Looks good. Probably one of the ones to watch today. Get ready for 125 break. It's getting ready for it. Get ready for 125 break. 125 break, it has a lot of room to the upside. 150, 185. All right. Do you play with larger amount? What do you mean? Do I play with a larger amount? If a stock's above VWAP, yeah, I play with a larger amount. If it's below, I don't play as big. Max trade size, I go with the trade is 25% of my account. If I have $1,000, I go with $250. If I have $1 million, I go with $250,000. If I have $10,000, I go with 2,500 max per trade. Lesson learned. No problem, Nav. No worries, my friend. I'm here to help you. I just want you to learn and use a stop loss. That's it. It will help you stay in your account longer. MDAI key levels, nothing really exciting going on with this, to be honest with you. Yeah, nothing, unfortunately. Kudos for you giving out such over. No worries, my man. I'm here to help because I want everybody to learn, and that is why I'm here. UBXG, daily, week, yeah, nothing on this. Nothing on UBXG, unfortunately. Yeah, I don't see anything, sorry. I mean, all I can tell you is that it's in a downtrend and there's lack of volume. Like this downtrend. Yeah, difficult to trade this one. SES is right here. It's looking good, pushing up. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Acon. I don't know why you're looking at Acon, but at the moment it doesn't look very good at all. It's 4 cents. Please just avoid something like this. You can make a lot more money on something else. This is a trash stock because it's 5 cents. No reason to be trading this. All right. If you have to take it, maybe about 5 cents. Unless 0.051 break. Yeah, this is 5 cents. So be careful with that. Percent of stop loss, I use 5%. If you want to use 20%, you can. Just as long as you use a stop loss, that's fine. RGTI, this is my predictions. Come down to 1185 to push up. If not, it might reverse here. QUBTs right here. Close above 1335. Could be good entries. I would not enter it now. Got it. Was a ticker for the quantum stock. That sound like LAES, LAES. Like this. Wait for 509 break for entries on this, on LAES. Guru is bearish. Done that one already. Guru bearish. Because 5% of 100 is different than 5% of 1,000. Matt, I know that. You should know that. That's basic. But the thing is, you need to focus on percentage. If you can make 1% on your account on $1 million, you can do it on $100. If you can do it on $100, you can do it on $1 million. The most important thing is you need to adopt a strategy that can get you consistently 1% a day, 5% a week, whatever it is, right? That's just an ultra conservative basis. If you can achieve that on $100 on a paper account and do it properly, then you can put in as much money as you want. All right. If you want to put in more money, you can do, but just make sure that you still apply the same rules. Don't look at the dollar amount, look at the percentage. That is what I look at every single day. The percentage. But I know you know that. Copin is looking like it's breaking out. KOPN is breaking out. Very good eye there, my friend. KOPN is breaking out. Nice. Copin. Right, let's like up the stream. It's $0. LITM. What else do we have here? What is another day? What do we have here? SOUN. SOUN closed above here. Probably retest like this, to be honest, then go up. This is my prediction for SOUN. I'm going to put this in orange. Put this at $15. Yeah, this broke above. Might look for a swing on this next week, to be honest with you, if it can hold this $15. Because I like this sector. It's nice. AI bullish theme. And these will rinse and repeat throughout the months. This is SOUN here, so I'm going to put on Twitter for you. SOUN prediction. All right, hopefully it goes up for you. I hope it does. BORR. What's happening here? BORR. It's downtrend at the moment, to be honest with you. Yeah, BORR is just downtrend, nothing. I'm not too sure what you see in this. At the moment, I don't see anything, unfortunately. KULR, guys, KULR is a load of trash. I know people are waiting for this. I know a lot of people are waiting for the stock, and whatever pumping is going on with the stock, I couldn't care less about this. I'm not going to touch it even if it's running 5 million%. I don't care. I will let it do its thing. All right. Now, please remember this. Save it, screenshot it, send it to your girlfriend, boyfriend, daughter, whatever you want to do. Okay. Listen up. The yellow line is riskier entries. If the candle closes above, you can look for an entry. That is a riskier entry. That means there is a higher risk that you will lose. Now, a safer entry will be above 386. If a candle body closes above 386, you can look for an entry that is a safer entry. There is lower risk if it breaks above here. The end. All right. W and W. W and W is nothing. Nothing on W and W. Sorry, it's not my kind of play. I don't know how to trade something like this. Yes, I don't know. ACHR. What's time with ACHR? ACHR looks good. Long-term stock. Very nice, very nice. I like it, I like it. ACHR. Looking good. I don't know why when I say ACHR, Siri has a go. Gets involved. The power of yellow line is scary, right? You telling me? You telling me? Okay, let's have a look at some other plays here. Guys, this is the only link to Discord. Please understand, this is it. No Telegram, no WhatsApp, all the alerts, all the seminars, strategies, stop loss, targets, those things, if you want it, they are there. PDY and parts of my screen. Someone asked me about this earlier. I didn't see anything on it. Let me have a look. 7%. Yeah, it's pushing up. Very nice. Looks good, looks good, looks good. I will keep this on my watch list. Yeah, it's moving up. This is your resistance right here. What is this? 10-10. 10-10 break. Looking good, but yeah, it's moving up. I would keep this on watch for the watch list. I wouldn't buy it now because it's obviously moving up. You want to let it pull back a bit and then maybe see if it's got the true volume to keep going up. I like it though, looks good. I like this a lot. Hopefully it goes. No worries, Robbie. I got you, brother. I got you, brother. I got you. 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 How's KOPN looking? KOPN's moving up. Is it cooking on high heat? High heat? Not yet. HKPD, bit of a strange one. Strange. I do not trade options, no, but we do have an options channel in the Discord. What time frame to use when assessing VWAP? VWAP's the same on every time frame. Look, we have VWAP here on the 5 minute, which is 594. We have it on the 1 hour. It's still 594, so it doesn't matter. I trade on the 5 minute. VIGL, what is happening here? VIGL, you have to wait for 251. If you want to enter now, you can go ahead. It's not my entry now. I would not enter now. At a resistance, there's a high probability it can just come down and reject. LITM is right here. This is my prediction. If you're up more than 5%, I would definitely sell some, right? That is how I trade. The prediction is it will continue to go up. If it doesn't, then you should have a stop loss. All right? Should be very clear. So 138 is broken. 150 is the next psychological level here. Then you have 164 over here. And then you have wick fill at 188. Very bullish stock. Expecting it to continue to go up. ATOS. Yeah, I don't see anything on ATOS. The overall trend is bearish. So that means that it should continue to come down, as it's probably going to reject this level. But yeah, if you're in it, I hope it goes up. If you're in RX after the downtrend break. Here. 0.8275. I just make these psychological levels here. And then we have this one right over here. Cool. 0.9785. 0.978. Right, these are your levels. These are your next levels for QNRX. All right, save this. I'll put it on Twitter so you can also save it. It'd be a good idea. All right, guys, I'm going to head into Discord now. I'll do RR and then I'm done. All right. QNRX, key levels. Got it. Let me just do Tesla quickly. Tesla. What's happening here? I mean, Tesla's holding the support. These are your key levels right here. I will draw them for you so you can get a right idea of where they are. I'm using the 4-hour currently for the key levels. That's what I like to use personally. This is Tesla key levels. All right. Okay, RR, and then I'm heading out. Hope you guys have a great day. Like it up. RR, you need to wait for 356 is your entry point. Anything below, I wouldn't take it. All right. Have a great day, evening, afternoon, guys. I'll catch you all tomorrow. Peace out.